firing pin sleeve here inside the tool. You see it's a long black shaft. That small hole is where the firing pin lives. If that gets clogged, okay, with some residue left behind from the fastener, the firing pin will not be able to engage the pill, and it will not be able to, it won't work. So if there is residue inside there, that needs to be cleaned. One of the reasons there could be some debris in there is because the debris wasn't ejected after each shot, and I'll demonstrate that now. I think what your customer's been doing is unscrewing this silver sleeve after each shot to clean it out. That's not necessary. It's necessary to do that when you clean the tool after a few hundred shots, okay? And to do that, you unscrew it and pull this out, and all the residue needs to be knocked off of this, okay? But then when you put it back together after a few hundred shots, that needs to be cleaned, okay? But it should be able to stay on the tool under normal usage. You don't have to take it apart after each shot, okay? What you need to be able to do is after each shot is simply pull back on the tool, and what you see here by zooming in is when you do that, you can see how that firing pin sleeve comes to the surface, knocking out any debris. Okay, so basically after each fastening, simply cock the tool and eject the debris. Thank you.